All right, chat. Good. We have the same head shape. What about Pebble? Bro can't afford Pebble. That's crazy. Oh my God! Don't, chick. No. Dude, who is this guy? 9. Okay, I'm gonna type the lobby, of course. 18 and 16. Bro! There's like 41 people here, bro. It was Battle Cats. Get out. Donald Trump? Donald Trump? Yay! Good. And what's my soup? I'm just wondering, bro. Bro, I forgot a spoon. I'm gonna watch these people talk for a bit. I'm gonna go get my spoon. Alright, I'm back, guys. Alright, bro. No one speaked? No. You traced! Traced. Stop the Discord. Hey, Marcus, stop. Ooh, freaky ship. I approve. No. Oopsie daisy. Oopsie daisy. Oopsie daisy. Oopsie daisy. Oopsie daisy. No. Why, bro? They aren't even that bad. I'm a bit like that. I'm a bit like that. Why are you built like that, bro? Dude! Stupid. Stop it with the... Who is 1, 2, 3? Are they new? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. We don't talk about this one. We don't talk about the freaky Sonic, you know? Bro, what if I, okay. Stupid Discord notification. Bro, stop. Bro, you're not Mr. Krabs, bro. No, you're not. Bro, what are these Discord notifications about, bro? Like, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god, is that Cupid? I wish I could erase the background. Hold up. Cloudy Mations on Discord? Man, I don't believe ya. I'm so damn mad. Okay, first of all, he added Larry. He added Miguel C. Ew, Elise Poe, get him out of here. No, keep McGeemus. Keep McGeemus. I love McGeemus. He's so McGeemus-ly. McGeemus. Alright. Hey, wait. You trace that from lore? Ow, ow, ow. Dude, I can't even live alone. I think I'm gonna end it here. My cough hurts so badly.